Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging for the month of January. This is the bag right here. It's super cute. It's kind of like a light denim print that is striped, and it has a really cute pink little zipper up here. Ipsy is a subscription service that comes out monthly. It is $10 a month. My hair is doing something weird as per usual. If you're new to my channel, that's nothing new. My hair is always crazy, but ignore that. So it's $10 a month. You get 4 to 5, sometimes even 6 sample to deluxe size samples and even full size products sometimes in this bag. Also, I did finally get this in the mail with my Ipsy bag this month. It says be the first to try Glam Bag Plus. Over the next few months, we're rolling out the options for all the Ipsters to upgrade to Glam Bag Plus. It's 5 full-size products from the brand you love with a value of $120 up for a steal. While in on it, keep an eye out for your invite. So hopefully that means that I am going to be finally able to join that soon. And then it does have a bunch of products in here. These are not the products I got in my bag. Well, maybe. No, they're not. I just have a bunch of products in here that you can get, and I thought that was super fun. Yeah, actually there's one product in here that I got, but super excited about that. I definitely want to subscribe to that once it becomes available to me. Let me know down below if you guys want me to subscribe to that or if you just want to see these, because I don't want to take these away from you if this is what you want to see every month, but I also do really want to try that, so let me know. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this, or unbag this, I guess. The first thing in here that I want to try on is this guy. This is the Akar Skin Mini Care Lip Butter. It doesn't tell me if it's cruelty free, but I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is, but I don't know for sure. But this is a little baby packaging. It's so tiny, it's like the size of my eye, but it's cute. I don't know Akar Skin, I've never heard of them. I actually think this showed this product in here though. Let me see if it says anything. Oh, okay, so actually all my products are in here. They're just in random places. So that's cool. Normally Ipsy doesn't give out these, so I'm wondering if they're gonna start, which would be amazing if they did. Because that's like my only complaint with Ipsy is that they don't have these. We love a good lip balm, like we love puppies, cupcakes, and rainbows. This soothing whipped formula wins major hearts, super hydrating, healthy ingredients, light on your lips texture, 100% organic lip balm. It's petroleum free, which means the good for you ingredients can really go to work. Doesn't say anywhere if it is cruelty free or not, but I think it is. Usually organic products are, not all the time, but most of the time. Oh, that's weird. So I pulled it out. I haven't opened it yet, but it's already like kind of open. It doesn't look like it's been damaged at all, so that's good, but here's what it looks like. It's kind of in there. It gives me Simpson vibes, probably because it's yellow, but let's just go ahead and I'm just gonna put my finger in there and we're gonna apply. Ooh, that feels really nice actually. I don't love the smell of it. You can see the difference in my lips there, how hydrating that is. Yeah. Did you guys just like see that fall? I don't know what that was, but okay. Moving on. So I actually really like the way that feels. So that could be good. I always leave all the products listed down below and if they're cruelty free or not, because I don't usually know when it comes to Ipsy because there are usually a lot of brands that I don't recognize. So I will definitely have this listed down below, sample value and all of that fun stuff. So the next two products are actually not in my bag. They were just in the pink bag itself that we get every month. But this is a SL Miss Glam brush, and it's real cute. I love SL Miss Glam brushes. They're some of my faves, and I love this like bullet, or not bullet, I don't know what you call that, handle, that's the words. It's just like sparkly silver glitter, and then the brush just faded from an ombre of pink to blue, and then you got the 2 pink rhinestones on there. There is also notes about this in here. I don't think, it says SB68 eye brush. It's a new year, so a better time to step up your eyeshadow blending game. This shader brush is fab for smudging liner or shadow along your lower lash line, or blending deep shadow shades into your crease to make your eyes pop. Your eyes? What am I saying? Okay, so I do already have eyeshadow on, but it's very neutral, so I'm going to just pick up a shadow from somewhere here and pop that onto the lid. Let's go, where's my palette I want to use? Oh, here it is. Okay, I want the palette that's underneath all of the other palettes, you know, because I had to be difficult like that. But I've been loving this palette, so anytime I get the chance to use it, I'm going to. This is the Manny MUA Greek Goddess palette. I'm gonna pick up Iris, that pink shade there, because I do want to keep it kind of neutral, but I also want to try this brush out. So let's just pop that right on top here. Ooh, yeah, it's giving like a, there's definitely like a mix of metals going on my lid, because I do have a silver and a gold, and now I'm putting this like pink shade on top. So it looks really cool. So this brush is definitely not like a packer brush, which is what I'm kind of using it as right now, but it's still doing the job and it still looks really pretty. So I actually really like the way that looks. So yeah, there's the brush. Love it. I'm going to continue to use that for sure. What's next? In here we have a hand cream, which is something that I'm like whatever about. I don't care, but I guess it's okay. It's a Have, or Have, I'm not sure. I think it's a Have. Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It's in the scent Sea Kissed. It's paraben free, allergy tested, vegan. So I'm assuming if it's vegan, it has to be cruelty free, even though it doesn't say that, but it's made in Germany. Yeah, I'm not super stoked about this. It's a hand cream, but I mean, we'll give it a try. Maybe it'll do amazing things for my hands and I'll regret everything I just said. But let's see here. Ooh, it smells good. It smells very, very beachy, but like not in like the coconut scent, but like your like beach water, if that makes sense. Okay, it does definitely feel nice. Ooh, I feel like yeah, it smells really good. It smells like, all I know what to say right now is Morning Glory. I think that was a perfume from like Walmart back in the day, like my childhood. So that's what it smells like. Like it's instantly making me think of that perfume. So if you know what I'm talking about, that's what it smells like. If not, I don't know how else to describe it. It's like floral, but like also beachy, but like also the rain. I don't know. That's what it smells like. So leave me a comment down below if you know what perfume I'm talking about. I think it's from Walmart. It might have been a Bath & Body Works perfume though, but I'm pretty sure it was like a Calgon perfume out at Walmart, which I know Calgon, I don't think they're cruelty free, but I don't use them anymore, so I'm sorry. But when I was a child, I did, and this is what it smells like. Those are words that I can't say. My hair, I'm sorry. Okay, next product in here is this guy. This is definitely cruelty free. It's got the bunny right there. This is vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, with tetrapeptide, Idlewise extract, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, whatever. I forgot to read about the Ahave on here. The Ahave, one whiff of the sea-scented cream took us straight to a sun-kissed beach, but our rough, dry hands were still chapped and freezing from January's chill. Slathering just a little bit of this hand cream on brought them some sweet relief. How's it work? Dead Sea minerals lock in H2O and are so good for easing eczema and psoriasis that can worsen in cold weather. Plus ingredients like witch hazel and allotonin heal, soften, and smooth cracks over. So awesome. Does really feel nice on my hands, I will say that, but it's probably something I'll throw in my car and just have for the winter time. I don't know why I can't read today. I am not wearing my glasses and I don't wear contacts, so I'm gonna blame it on that, but it's probably just because I suck at life. I don't know. Where is this last one? Oh, what is this? Okay, it's So Susan Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream in Popstar. Popstar is the shade name. Let's see. Let me open this guy up here. That was a little baby guy again, I believe. Let's see. Oh, not too bad. Looks like this. I don't really use cream products too much, but I'm excited for this. This is something I'll probably put like under my foundation. This Says whether you're going for a subtle shine or an overall glow, this creamy gel-based highlighter can help your face find its best light shifting pigments made up of the holographic rainbow particles adjust to your skin tone, giving you a custom made for you glow. That's awesome. Ipsy with oily skin, this oil-free formula won't leave your skin feeling greasy. That's cool too. Okay, I don't have oily skin, but for those of you who do, that is cool that they thought of you. Okay, so it's one of those products that as soon as you take the top off, it starts to like pour out. If you can see that, it's already like coming out and I haven't done anything. So be careful of that. You are gonna wanna put the lid back on like immediately. Okay. So this is gonna probably be a messy product. So that's what it looks like there. Ooh, that is really pretty. So I do have highlight on already, but I intentionally did not put a nose highlight on so that I could try this product for you. That's really pretty. It's very golden. So let's just like pop some of that on my nose and blend it out. Okay. You have to hurry with this product because it's gonna like, ooh, I might have done way too much. Is it taking off my foundation? Not really, that's good. Maybe a little bit. It is kind of hard to blend into the foundation. So this might be something better used under this foundation or before you powder. Ah, I just dropped the cap. Let's just put some over top here and see what happens. That's so pretty though. Super annoyed that I just dropped the cap, but you know. So it's going, oh yeah, it's getting everywhere. Like this is not stopping. I'm just gonna lay that there for now. And put more of this on my face, I guess, seeing how it just fell everywhere. Let's throw some on the chin. Yeah, that is really pretty though. It's really intense. And it's not taking away my foundation, which is good, but it's definitely not really wanting to set on it either, but that's okay. Now let's just set that in place and move on to the last product in here, which is this guy. This was the other product that was not in my bag, but it was in the pink bag. This is by Illamasqua. It's a coloring pencil. So it is a lip pencil. It's in the shade Lust. I hope it's not a pencil, but I'm pretty sure it is. Ooh, pretty shade. Yeah, it is. Unfortunate. That's what it looks like swatched. I'm not a huge like pencil person. I prefer like roll-ups, but that's okay. We will try this out anyway, if I can open this dang dog. How do I already have lipstick on my teeth? Okay, I'm gonna wipe away that lip butter. Just because I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too slippery for the lip pencil. Okay. Not bad. I feel like it definitely takes a couple passes. It's not super creamy. I'm having to build it up. Which that could be a good or bad thing, like if you're a beginner. You might really love that. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it in. Yeah, that's rough. I like the color. That's really nice, but it's kind of rough. And it's not like just going over. I'm gonna have to like go over a few times. Oop. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't talk while applying lipstick or lip liner. And I've removed the concealer on my mouth. That's cute. God, I did it again. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna stop there and fix this real quick. We're good. Yeah, I feel like it's just leaving, like there's a gap there, a gap there. Like I'm having to go back in and just keep reapplying over those little holes it's leaving. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Okay, so this would be fine just for like an actual lip liner. It'll be okay. It's a really pretty color, but as far as like filling in your lips go, I'm not loving it. Like it's, even still, you can see like there's a gap there. There's one there. Yeah, so it's just not the best. But quick recap. If this is cruelty free, I do really like it. It's very nourishing, I felt like, so that's awesome. I'm pretty sure Have is cruelty free, and this felt really nice on my hands. I still feel very moisturized. The highlighter I like, but I don't know if, I guess I just don't think I'll use it again, but it is really pretty. I do really want to try it under my foundation as like a pearlescent primer. We'll try that and see if I like it that way. What else did I get? The lip liner was not the best. And the brush, I like the brush. But yeah, so that is the Ipsy of January. Let me know down below what you guys got, and also if you do want me to try Ipsy Plus, if you think I should try that, let me know. And that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.